You know, I always start my videos with alright. Sorry. I'm on my buddy's 2016 300 XC. Someone made the comment that they wondered how it would compare. And I will tell you, I know it's 250 to 300. So this is not counterbalanced. Ooh, back brake's touchy. I like it. So it's non-counterbalanced motor, carbureted. Runs crisp. I think it's got right around the same hours as my 300, which is 60 something. Holy moly. Oh, we're gonna go this way. That's a short little loop. I want to ride this a little more. On 16 300 XC. God, instantaneous throttle response. TBI is good. Personally, I don't think it's as crispy as one of these carbureted models. I mean, part of that can be because it's a 300 versus my 250, so the initial hit, but man, a millimeter of throttle and this thing is surging forward. Woo! Oh man, this thing's a ripper. Wow, I'm impressed. Kevin, my buddy, was nice enough to let me ride it. He's riding my TPI. His initial thoughts: super smooth. He actually said, "Why is it so smooth?" Which is hilarious. Because it is. Because this thing not being counterbalanced, I ain't gonna lie, there's a lot of vibration, but I think that's only gonna annoy you after a long time. Oh wow. Holy moly. Yeah. It's a man's bike right here. Holy. Got the vibrations of the old two-stroke back. Suspension. I gotta be honest, because I think I'm really just partial to XC chassis. I really like it. Man. Yeah, I'm impressed. Vibrations, my only complaint. It's fine to ride, but long, like I could see in a hair scrambler or something, I definitely would be going numb. God, I am kind of blown away at how instant the throttle response is. Really makes me want to ride a new 300 XC TBI. just apples to apples. Anything you want to hop, it just, the power is immediate. Like, look at this little guy right here, little hop. Yep. Just rips. Cool. Man, maybe I need to buy one of these. Alright, so I'm back on my 300 TPI. Coming off the 16 300 XC. God, this thing, there's no vibration to it. But there's also, sorry, this is 2 lanes, quads come ripping down here side by side, so. But anyway. There's no initial hit, like, at all in comparison to that bike. Oh. I was very impressed by that bike. Like I said in that comparison, well, that video of the 300 is, sorry, just looking ahead here. The initial hit on that bike, instantaneous, great. Man, this bike feels so soft in comparison. So we got Kevin. So maybe you guys like the softer head of the TPI. I know a lot of people don't. But I can see how in a racing environment, how that bike is preferable. Yeah, it goes, but there's no hit. Wow. Sorry, I'm just kind of blown away. I didn't think it was going to be that big of a difference. But now I get what people are saying. Kind of makes me want one of those bikes, or maybe even a 250 version. I don't think I need the 300, because if this thing wears me out, that for sure would be wearing me out. But yeah, I just wanted to give a comparison thoughts as I just hopped back on this guy. Almost feels like here, like something like this, right? Doing that just has that snap to get you up and over an obstacle. Like here, I feel like I can just like rocket off that on the 16. Yeah, I'm not gonna go on and on about it. I just figured I'd tell you. Very impressed. I didn't do any kind of like timed lap or anything, but that extra snap, for my last thought, that extra snap that it has makes that bike feel playful like my 250 XC. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, thing's getting deep. So I think that's why I'm really just enjoying it, the XC platform. I think I may be converted over to XC platform. XCW may have to go. Maybe up for sale soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll check in with you in another video soon.